King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I'm the math teacher, Goat, and today in 5th grade math, we're talking about the metric system. We're not in Europe. Well, I mean, you could be, but probably not. Anyway, we're talking about that thing. Something you don't see a whole lot in America, where I live. Now, please like the video, subscribe anyway, even if you're not American or if you are. Make a comment if you can. Also, go to the description of this video because there's notes if you click on the link, and it'll be nice if you have it in front of you, or even if you can print them out. I'm going to do a bunch of problems. You're going to do a bunch of problems. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. It's terrible. The metric system is a way to measure length, mass, and volume using powers of 10. Now, the metric system is nice because it uses powers of 10. It simplifies things, makes things a lot easier. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Now, of course, that's an acronym for the 7 words that we're going to focus on in the metric system. Really big things are kilograms, kilometers, then stuff that you don't use often, hecto, Deca, then you have your base like meters, grams, meters, liters. You don't use Deca that much. You use Centi a lot and you use Milli a lot. So probably the things that you're familiar with the most are kilometers or kilograms. That's a big amount. Then you've probably seen centimeters right here. Centimeters are often used in rulers, and millimeters are tiny, tiny, tiny versions of that. Now, if you look closely, I can count in between centimeters here. Here's 1 centimeter, here's 2. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 millimeters inside 10 centimeters. And there's 10 centimeters inside a decimeter. And there's 10 decimeters inside of a meter. So on and so forth. That means there's a whole bunch of millimeters in a kilometer because there's 10 in here and 10 in there, and as you group 10 more, you get a lot more. Okay, so how do we convert these things? How do we convert, millimeters into kilometers? Well, if I'm converting a larger unit, when converting to a larger unit, be careful, when you convert to a larger unit, you move the decimal left. Larger left. If you convert, so if I want to convert a millimeter to a kilometer, I'm moving my decimal left because I'm converting to a larger unit. So let's do that. Let's just say, well, not maybe millimeter to a kilometer. Let's say I want to do millimeter to a decameter. And I say I have 3. Let's do a bigger number. I have 183 and 1/1400ths millimeters. And I want to convert that to a decameter. Okay? What you do is you move to the left 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We've done this before, where if you put your decimal there, you have to fill in with a 0 and always put a 0 in front. So that means that a decameter, hold on, let me write it out first. That's a lot, that's an ugly number. Now that means 183.14 millimeters is 0.018314 decameters. Now, if I want to convert to a smaller unit, say I have 43 kilometers and I want to find out how many centimeters that is, I'm moving to something smaller. I'm going to put my decimal where it should be, and I'm going to move to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 4, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Put a comma there, put a comma there. So there are 4,300,000 centimeters and 43 kilometers. Okay? Now, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Why do I keep saying that? Oh, so now I can write it out. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I want to convert 3 meters to centimeters. That's smaller, so we're going to move to the right. So 3 meters to centimeters. So here's meters. Meters is a base. Meters is a base. I'm going to go 1, 2 to the right. So I'm going to go 1, 2, put a decimal where a decimal should be. So that's 300, and I don't need to put the decimal at the end. Not necessary. So that is 300 centimeters. 3 meters is 300 centimeters. Now let's convert 1 21 hundredths of a kilogram to grams. 1.21 kilograms to the base regular grams. So I'm getting smaller again. So that's a change of 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to write out 1.21, and I'm going to go to the right 1, 2, 3 times. Fill out your decimal, replace any open spaces with the 0. So that's 1,210 grams. So 1 kilogram is 1,210 grams. Convert 75,520 milliliters to liters. Now I'm getting larger. Okay, now I'm getting larger. So milliliters is over here, and I'm going to go to the base. 1, 2, 3 to the left. So if I'm getting larger, I'm also going to the left. So let's write out our number, 75520. Put a decimal where a decimal should be. I'm going to go to the left, 1, 2, 3, and put a decimal there. When I write this out, remember, if there's a 0 at the end of a decimal, you don't need it. So I have 75 and 52 hundredths liters. Okay? King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Convert 4.76 kilometers to meters. We're getting smaller. Okay, so we're starting at kilometers and we're going to the right 1, 2, 3 spaces. So I'm going to write out 4 and 76 hundredths. I'm going to go to the right 1, 2, 3. Put a decimal where the decimal should be. Include a 0. 4,760 meters. Okay. Okay. Convert. Are we just going back? No, we're not. Convert 0.65, 65 hundredths of meters to millimeters. So we're getting smaller again. So we're starting with the base, which is meters, and we're going to the right 1, 2, 3 spaces. So I'm going to write 65 hundredths, and then go to the right 1, 2, 3. Put a decimal where a decimal should be, attach a 0. I don't need that 0 in front, but I do need that 0 at the end. I just don't need the decimal there. So I'm going to write out millimeters as mm because you can, 650 millimeters. So you try 5 of them on your own, and then we'll do our word problem and call it a day, okay? So try them on your own, pause the video now, and then come back and check your work. Oh, welcome back. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Convert 5 meters to millimeters. So we're going from the base to the right, 1, 2, 3, we're getting smaller. So write out 5, put a decimal where a decimal should be, and go to the right 1, 2, 3, and put a new decimal there. Fill in the blanks with zeros, 3 of them, and we end up with 5,000 millimeters. Convert 21 and 1,300 liters to milliliters. This is literally the same exact thing. So the base is liters, go to the right 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces. So let's write out 21 and 1300ths. We're going to go to the right 1, 2, 3, put a new decimal there, put a 0 in every space that you see, and that's 21,130 milliliters. And you write that guy out as M, little m, big L. Little m, big L. Now we're going to convert 90,089 grams to kilograms. So we're going from our base and we're now going to the left 1, 2, 3 spaces. We're getting bigger. So I'm going to write out 90,089, put a decimal where a decimal should be, and I'm going to go to the left 1, 2, 3 spaces, putting my new decimal there. So that's 90,089 thousandths kilograms. All right. More. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Convert 10 and 75 meters to centimeters. So we're going from base to centimeters. We're getting smaller. So we're going to write out 10.75. We're going to take our decimal, go to the right 1, 2 times, put a new decimal there. So that is 1,075 centimeters, and you can write out centimeters like that. Convert 4.2 kilograms to grams. So we're starting way up here at kilograms, and you're going to the base, right 1, 2, 3, so you're getting smaller like we just did. So let's write out 4.2. We're going to go to the right 1, 2, 3, put the new decimal right there, fill in zeros, and we get 4,200 grams. So I'll put a G for grams. G for grams. All right, word problem time. Word problem time. Mrs. Blar is setting up a jump rope station for recess. The jump rope is 250 centimeters long. She needs to know the length in meters to write it out on the equipment label. How many meters long is the jump rope? Well, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. We want to go from centimeters to the base of meters. So we're going larger, which means we're going to the left. So we write out 250. We put a decimal where the decimal should be. We go to the left 2 spaces, just like we did up there. 2 and 5. We don't need that 0. So 2 and 5/10 meters. 2.5 meters. Or I could have just put the letter M. All right. Metric system. Done. Fun. Super fun, in fact. Like and subscribe, leave a comment like I asked you to earlier. Watch more of my videos. Until the next one, bye.